Nath and welcome to my channel. My name is Stefania if you're new here. So today we're going to be doing a try-on haul. We have Gymshark, Buffbunny, Alphalete, Lululemon, a lot of workout clothes. I'm a trainer and they just motivate me to have new workout clothes, okay? That's the truth. So we're going to do a try-on haul. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Please don't forget to subscribe before we get started. I would really appreciate you. And then hit that like button if you like these types of videos, or as far as try-on hauls, since I mainly do beauty on here. If you guys want more, I'm happy to do them. So let's go ahead and get to this video. Okay, so I did want to say, in terms of Black Friday haul, between all the brands I shopped through, I think the best deals was definitely Gymshark. Gymshark and I definitely have a rocky relationship, okay? We don't do that well. It's, I feel like there's constantly issues, and then every time they hype up a collab, it's like this last time I got the whole Whitney Gymshark collection. I was so excited. I was going to do a review, and then my package was lost, and they didn't have any products in stock, so they're like, here's a full refund, like, we lost your package. Just stuff like that always happens. It just seems like, why even, like, don't hype up the collection then, you know what I mean? Like, why? It's unnecessary. And so I feel like I keep getting mad at them, but I will say for their blackout sale, I love that they already put the prices of what everything would be ahead of time so that you could go in, decide what you wanted, and then as soon as it went live, like, I just was like I knew exactly what I wanted, did not dilly-dally, you know, and just went in there. If you go in there like willy-nilly, like, maybe I'll get this, you're not going to get anything good. Like, everything's going to be sold out. So, 2 cents on that. But I am very happy with this try-on haul. Sorry if I keep talking. I'm like, we'll hurry up and get into this in a second. And then Alphalete, I was like, next one, Buffbunny had good deals. Like, I got some bras for $14. So those were like my 2 ones where I was like, the best deals were definitely those 2. In terms of Alphalete, I felt like things were still pretty pricey. I was still happy to get any kind of discount though, so I did get some stuff. You guys will see the other leggings in the try-on haul, but these are the Aero leggings. I was really excited about these. Like, they are fit so nicely. They are so soft. I was so excited about them, and I tried them on, and they already have a hole in them. So, and that's like right, you know, in the crotch area. Not the best, you know? So I emailed them, and they ended up just saying like, okay, well, you can either send them back, here's a shipping label, or you can keep them, we'll give you a 50% refund. All I want is another pair. Like, I love the leggings. They're very comfortable, way more comfortable than the Revivals. And I was just like, I have to send mine back before I can get a replacement. Like, I don't have a printer. So now I need to go print off the shipping label somewhere, go to USPS. I'm a little bitchy today, guys. I'm sorry. But I was a little bit like, I didn't, like, these came out of the package like this. Like, this wasn't even like months later where you're like being really nice by replacing them. These came out of the package and they were still around $50. So I'm a little feisty right now about Alphalete. I'm not gonna lie. The other products I got, I like, but those I finally went to my sister's house and printed off a shipping label last night, so I still need to send them back. But yeah, anyways, other than that, I am 5'1" on a good day. We're gonna go with that. And right now I fluctuate my weights between 120 to 124. So, and I wear a 34. I'm like pushing a 34 CD right now. It's depressing. I don't know where these boobs came from, and I don't like it. But without further ado, let's get into the actual try-on portion. All right, we got outfit number 1. This is the Buffbunny bra. This is the Power Bra. For Black Friday, it was on sale for $14, which I think is a great price. It's fairly, does anyone else like do this in fitting rooms? Like, I'm just like, how, it's supportive to a point. Like, I definitely feel like the Buffbunny sizing, the one thing that's hard is like the sports bras. Like, this is an extra small. I got a small in the past and it was just too big. Like, the band was too loose, and even this one, I feel like it could be tighter around this portion. But it's a good, like, solid bra. Very simple detailing, and then I paired it with the Lululemon Aligns. These were on sale for $69, and then I do get extra 25% off of Lululemon since I'm a trainer, so I'm part of their Bleed and Sweat collection type thing. So very happy with the Aligns. So I got a size 2, which is my normal size in Aligns. I definitely would say like the Aligns are so fragile. They're definitely a staple for like everyone's collection, but I never wear them like for anything other than lifting, like usually arm days, which is fine for me because I got a lot of arm days. But yeah, the bottom is ombre'd out, so it just goes into a deeper color there. This is what they look like from the back. I love these. Like, these were probably one of my favorite purchases. And I like that the bra isn't too, like, not too many straps. That way I don't feel like it's just squeezing my back fat. All right, so next up we have the Vibe Bra and Queen Bee leggings from Buffbunny. Let me show you guys the leggings first. It has these slits. They're just plain black leggings, but they do have the slits on the side. And you guys can see, like, I wear underwear to work out. Like, I'm just not that person that's comfortable without it. So even with the thin one, I have to kind of like hike it up here so that you don't see it. But I still think that like these are like the perfect amount of like being a little sexy, but not too much, you know? But I have these in red and I absolutely love them. So that's why I decided to get these. They're more of like the actual workout material rather than like compared to like Lululemon lines that are soft. I prefer pants like these when I'm doing cardio, like that, you know what I'm talking about, like that sleek feeling fabric. The Vibe Bra, I don't know. What do you guys think? Like, it's got this cute little strappy detail thing here, and I don't know if like, I don't know how I feel about it, but it's cuter than I thought it was going to be, which is why I waited for it to go on sale. But I will say I do love that it has like the adjustable strap on this side so that you can kind of move it around. But I feel like my it hits right where my boobs tan, and I'm like, oh, it's so white right there. But it is cute. Like I do actually like it, and it is fairly supportive as well. So I'm happy with both of these. I believe this is like $24, and the leggings were like around $30 range. So like, would I buy this again? Probably not if it was full price, just because my style preference, I don't really like different shoulders. But I think it's cute for the price. All right, so next we have the Gymshark Move collection. I got both of these in a size small. I like bright colors for winter. It just makes me not so depressed. So I'm very happy. Each piece was like 13 bucks. I like that the mesh isn't like too low, so you're not being too revealing, but it's still cute. And then the leggings, there's things I like and I don't. I love the material of this collection. It's very nice and soft. Like, I feel like Gymshark is definitely improving on the like touch of fabrics, if that makes sense. Like, they feel really nice and soft. But I will say, like, the waistband is very much not wide enough down here. So if you are insecure about, like, you know, like that little lower belly pooch, it's not going to be your favorite because they don't cover that by any means. Like, if you have a lot, it's going to kind of dig in here and then kind of give you that under, just not flattering tone. But in terms of the leggings, they put a separate panel to make them squat proof. I did just test them out and they are squat proof. So I'm standing on stools, guys. I cannot squat today. But yeah, they have mesh going all the way down. They match, obviously, the bra perfectly. I would say the bra is my favorite compared to the leggings. Just because of where they hit. I will still wear these. I don't have anything against it. But I am wearing like blue underwear. And because that double paneling, like, you can see it through the front, but the double panel's on the back and you can't see it through the back, which I feel like is more important. So I'm pretty happy with this set. What do I do with these? They're so long. So this is the Poise set. It comes with like this little cutout, which is cute. It's not too revealing. And then I think you just kind of tie it wherever you see fit. So whether you want to go in the front and put it in a bow or the back, I'll probably put it in the back. I feel like this is a little too much. I feel like I don't know, like an ice cream. But the Poise set, my gosh, like, why didn't more people rave about these collections? Like, I feel like the seamless gets so much hype and I'm just like, these are so soft. However, again, there's not really that protection of that tummy control band right here. So again, you might be uncomfortable, like stomach wise in these, but they are so soft. They have that glute double paneling. So, I mean, everything for the most part, like I'm like very shocked that everything has become squat proof because I haven't ordered from Gymshark in a long time. But the bra is super cute. All right, so here are what the leggings look like. Like I said, like, I don't know how comfortable, I'm comfortable right now, but if I were to gain a little bit of weight, I'd probably be a little bit insecure. It doesn't have that front seam though, which is very, very nice. The fabric is so nice and soft. Like even if you just wanted to like lounge around in these, like they're so nice. So comfort wise, I definitely give these like a 10 out of 10. However, I don't love that they don't cover the front, and they're definitely not like these or the last ones I tried on, definitely not cellulite friendly, just in case you're wondering, but they are squat proof. All right, so next up we have the other Poise bra, which doesn't have like the stringy ribbons everywhere, which, you know, this is gonna be like for underneath shirts and stuff. I really like this. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has like almost like little ribbing down. I don't know what it is, but I like it. It kind of reminds me of like, you know, wife beaters. But I still love those. So I really like these bras. They're not one I would run in by any means. They're not that supportive, but for a light lifting day, I think they're really cute. I also got the Poise leggings in mint. I just figured I wouldn't show you guys doubles. But I got like that, and then I got the Move collection in a lime green as well. So this is the Poise hoodie. I wish I would have gotten more of these, but they weren't that cheap. Like, I think this one was the cheapest color. Yeah. What I love is this high, like this wide neck. Again, the Poise material, amazing. Like, please continue with this, Gymshark. But it has these strings that then you can like cinch it in at the waist and make it, you know, fit however you want it to. It has a hood, but like wearing makeup is no longer an issue when you have hood. Like, I prefer this type of hoodie. Like, I wish more styles came like this that are just a little bit more open, so you don't feel like, I hate feeling things on my neck. I get so itchy. But I really, really like this. It's lightweight for sure, but so nice and comfortable. Like, one of my favorite purchases for sure. All right, we have the last outfit. I will say, like, I love this hoodie in terms of like the fit. It's a nice cropped hoodie. Some days I'm like, why do I keep getting cropped hoodies? Because I end up cold. But I love the color of this and I like the fit, but it is not soft fabric. This is from Gymshark. It is part of the Move collection as well. But the fabric, I don't even know if you guys would be able to tell by like seeing it. It's not soft. Like, if I paid full price, I would return this. But for 16 bucks, I was like, like, it's just not, it's comfortable, but not soft to the touch. And then these are the Volt leggings from Alphalete. I had to get this color, guys. Like, this is Grinch status right here. So I got these in a size small. So I stopped kind of wanting seamless leggings because I don't necessarily like this part of them, like that outer, just that arrow to your vagina. Like, I just have to say it. Like, sometimes I'm just like, oh, I don't know if I like that. But I did get a small because I was like, okay, like, let's try. I didn't want to feel like a sausage is what I'm trying to say. I like the details of this. I find that these are more comfortable than the Revivals. Maybe that's because I did get a small and an extra small this time, since, you know, food. But I love the way that these fit. I don't know if they're squat proof though. I feel like for the color, they're fairly squat proof, but not like 100%, you know what I mean? But I'm still comfortable bending over, like picking up weights kind of thing. I just don't know if I'd do a full leg day. But there's quite a bit of extra fabric. That's just called being short, but more so than any of the other leggings I've tried on. All right, guys, so that was everything from the haul. What pieces did you guys get? What company do you guys usually shop in for workout gear? What are your favorites? Are there anything that I really need to try? And let me know what you guys think. I really hope Gymshark keeps making these softer materials. I don't love seamless anymore. Like, I used to really like seamless until I don't know. One day I was just like, why am I struggling so hard to put these on? Like, it's not worth it. I am more about soft fabrics now. Like, as long as they hold up during a workout, showing sweat's fine. I don't really care about that much. my husband, though, he will say something. He's like, your crack is sweaty. And I'm like, leave it alone. I'm working out. Why do you have to say anything? And I was like, it's better than having like the front sweat, you know, because like that happens too, but usually not on me. And he's like, no, I think yours is worse. And I was just like, get out of here. That's why we don't work out together. Not because that's because he doesn't want to go. But I really hope they continue with the softer fabrics. I really like those. I was pretty impressed with Gymshark and the double paneling that they added this time around with all their stuff. I just haven't tried their products in a really long time. I still like the Camo Seamless a lot. But yeah, let me know what your guys' favorites were, where you guys shop from, your experiences, if you had any bad ones or good ones, whichever. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.